Hello, what's up, good people? Welcome back with me, Mr. Mafi here. So, right now, I would like to talk about the simple past tense atau simple present tense ya, simple present. Apa itu simple past tense? What is the simple past tense? So, the simple past tense is something or the action that you have done. What is the activity that you have did in the past? All right. So as you can see here, to be or verb, uh, there are was and were. Ya, ada to be atau verb, ada was atau dan were. Oke, was yang digunakan subjeknya adalah I, he, she, and it. So I, he, she, it yang gunakan verbnya adalah was. Oke. How about were? Were subjeknya adalah you, we, they. Jadi you were, we were, they were. Alright, let's move on to the other. To be atau was were ya. To be adalah verb. Okay. Those are the example of simple past tense. So the first example, he was busy last night. Ya, dia sibuk tadi malam. Okay, second example, we were at work yesterday. Ya, artinya kita di tempat kerja kemarin. Okay, let's move on to the next. Alright, as you can see, those are, yeah, this is examples. The first example, I was a student in 2005. Ya, saya seorang siswa di tahun 2025. 2005, bukan 2025, sorry. Jadi saya seorang siswa di tahun 2005. Okay, second example. You were good yesterday. Kamu sangat baik kemarin ya. Kamu baik kemarin. Okay, next. He was at work last Monday. Artinya dia sedang bekerja ya. Last Monday. Artinya Senin kemarin. Senin tadi. Senin kemarin ya. Lebih tepatnya. Alright. Next. She was in Boston 2 days ago. Dia berada di Boston 2 hari yang lalu. Okay, next. It was a good game yesterday. Itu permainan yang sangat baik atau permainan yang sangat indah ya. Okay, next. We were in the library earlier. Artinya kita sudah atau kita berada di perpustakaan lebih awal. Okay, the last sentence or the last example of the simple past tense. They were busy last month. Jadi mereka sibuk bulan kemarin. Alright. So in the left here, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they is our subject, and then in the right for is time phrase. Okay, let's move on to the next part. be careful. So be careful when you choose was and were. So this is the contraction. For example, I's busy yesterday. So I's busy yesterday. And second, I was busy yesterday. I mean. Jadi hati-hati ya dengan penggunaan was were dalam contraction atau singkatannya. Misalnya ini bacanya ice ya. Yang pertama, kalimat pertama ice busy yesterday. Jadi kalau tidak disingkat lagi, I was busy yesterday. Okay. Alright. Let's move on to the next part. Negatives. Was not sama dengan wasn't ya. In the left part, was not sama dengan wasn't ya. Wasn't. Were not sama dengan equal weren't. Were not equal weren't. For example, ya contohnya di sebelah kanan, in the right, she wasn't busy last night. Second, they weren't at home yesterday. Okay, let's move on to the other topic. Here is the example, negative contractions. The first example, I wasn't drive a car yesterday. Ya, saya tidak mengendarai atau mengemudi mobil kemarin. You weren't there last week. Kamu tidak di sana minggu kemarin. Ya, last week. He wasn't at work last Monday. Artinya dia tidak bekerja hari Senin kemarin. She wasn't okay last night. Artinya dia tidak okay tadi malam. Dia tidak baik-baik saja ya tadi malam. Artinya it wasn't not there 10 years ago. Dia tidak di sana 10 tahun yang lalu. He weren't there yesterday. Dia tidak di sana kemarin. They weren't ready last week. Mereka tidak siap minggu kemarin. Alright, let's move on. Now review sessions. So you, the fifth of you is were. They were and we also were. How about I? I was. The fifth of I is was. She was. He was. It was. Was not equal wasn't. Jadi was not ini, was not sama dengan wasn't. Wasn't-nya itu singkatannya. Singkatan dari was not. Were not adalah singkatan dari weren't. Atau weren't adalah kepanjangannya dari were not. Jadi were not singkat menjadi weren't. Alright, thank you for your attention. Hopefully this material useful for your English. Thank you. See you.